Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be talking about how you can start your LLC. I'm going to guide you on the steps required and the most affordable and the easiest methods out there that you can use to start off your LLC in any US state today. Now, before we dig into the steps to form your LLC, let's discuss what exactly is an LLC. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. An LLC is a hybrid business entity which combines a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or a sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets, thus giving you personal asset protection. It provides personal liability protection, which helps you build credibility with your customers and your investors. And aside from that, an LLC can also help you avoid tax pitfalls. LLCs have pass-through taxation, which means LLCs do not have to pay any corporate income taxes. If you want to learn more about LLC taxations, then there are links in the description below. It's better to discuss your taxation options with your accountant and figure out what's best for you. You can form your LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. The third method is to hire an attorney and file it for you, but that's going to be more expensive than the other 2 methods. I recommend using a professional service like Zen Business for this purpose because missing out even a small detail like filing your LLC can lead to the cancellation of your business. Zen Business is one of the best services out there for this purpose. It is affordable and very easy to use. Currently, Zen Business is offering the LLC Formation package at $0. It means, other than the mandatory state filing fee, you don't really have to spend anything to form your LLC. Now let's get started with the main formation steps that you have to follow when you start your LLC. Now that you've decided to start your own LLC, you must get a unique business name. Having a business name is not that simple, as you must follow some regulations which are set by the federal and state government. You can find the detailed naming guidelines in LLCbuddy.com. The 4 key things you need to be aware of when you're naming your LLC is number 1, your business name should be available, and no other existing business in the state can share that name. Each business name is unique to its owner. Number 2, the term LLC should be there as a suffix in the company. Number 3, you cannot use any name for your business that is confusing or possibly misleading. Terms such as Treasury, State Department, FBI, CIA, they cannot be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the state government are fulfilled. You can reserve your LLC name for some time if you're not ready to start off your LLC immediately. Reserving your name prior to the LLC formation will buy you some time to hold that name, but you can't hold it forever, so you must file your LLC within the time period which is given by the state. The second and highly vital step to forming an LLC is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to be acting and working on your LLC's behalf, and they're going to be receiving all the important paperwork and the official government correspondence. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure that the registered agent is a resident of the state in which you're willing to start your LLC, or at least has a physical street address there. Their business address is used as the LLC's principal address. Most LLC formation companies also do provide registered agent services. Zen Business offers registered agent services at a very affordable price, and they offer those services in all of the states. Now, a key thing to note when getting a registered agent is the importance of having one and having a legit one, because in case of any lawsuit or if you happen to get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. What it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't really go after your personal assets. And when you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they're going to pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to do is they're going to check if you have a registered agent. Is the agent legit, and have they been filing the paperwork correctly? This is why it's highly recommended to hire a professional registered agent who are experts in their field. Zen Business offers the industry best agents for your LLC. The third and the most important step in forming an LLC is to file the certificate of formation. The certificate of formation is also known as Articles of Organization. It's a legal document which is needed to register your business with the Secretary of State officially. It can be filed online or can be given by mail. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, the registered agent's name, address, employee details, the company structure, whether you're member managed or are you manager managed. The LLCs with employees have statewide separate rules to follow. I recommend you go through the regulations before you're hiring your employees in your LLC just to be on the safe side. This step is crucial and sensitive. You can't afford to make any mistakes as it's going to result in the cancellation of the whole filing process and you're going to have to start all over again. Hence, it's better that you hire a professional because they are experts and they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any steps. I suggest using Zen Business because if you do happen to get stuck anywhere, they have chat, email, call support where you can go ask your questions and they're going to respond you with the solution during their business hours. The fourth step is preparing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is pretty vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolutions, and a lot more. This helps them reduce future conflicts. Now, your state might not have a very strict rule to filing the operating agreement, but it's highly recommended to have one for the future of your LLC. If any day or any time you want to dissolve your LLC or recruit a new member or a manager, the operating agreement is going to save you from a lot of legal issues. Zen Business LLC Formation Package offers this service at a bare minimum cost. Since they know exactly what to do, you won't really have to worry about missing any detail. Coming on to the final step, which is obtaining the EIN. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easy to identify businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business out there. EIN is needed when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. To obtain an EIN, one can simply fill up a form and send it off by mail or online just to the IRS. You can easily avoid the complications of IRS website by getting the LLC Formation Package from Zen Business. They offer everything under one roof. Zen Business offers incredible LLC formation services. They are currently offering LLC formation at $0. So you don't really have to spend any additional money to hire them. It's highly recommended to hire a professional and not do it yourself because the process might look easy, but it's really not. Missing out on things can ruin everything. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, you can check out which of the options fit your requirements. For now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file your forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now, you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now, they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. As you can see, they're offering expedited filing, annual worry-free for compliance, tax deduction, virtual business guides, free tax consultations. That's a lot. If you want to go through the premium package, you can go and check it out as well. It is high priced, but it also has its advantages depending on what you require. If you're a bigger corporation, you might do better with premium. Otherwise, a pro plan or starter plan is more than enough to start off your LLC. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verified compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything. And then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business. Now that you successfully created your LLC, there's still a few things that you're gonna need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card to separate your personal and your business expenses. You need to file business permits and licenses. Based on the type of your business, you must apply for licenses and permits. Check with your local authorities for permits and licenses regarding your business. Number 3 is that you need general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which is going to cover your employees. Finally, you need to file the LLC annual report with the Secretary of State to avoid any penalties or any legal issues in the future. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how you can actually start off your LLC. And I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.